Okay, so today's entry ticket is going to wrap up our discussion about statistics. Our learning target has been finding means, medians, modes, standard deviations, ranges. This one's going to talk about standard deviation and ranges. The 22 students in a health class conducted an experiment in which each recorded their pulse rates in beats per minute before and after completing a light exercise routine. The dot plots display the results. Let S1 be the standard deviation and R1 be the range. So let S1 and R1 be the standard deviation and range, respectively, of the data before exercise. Let S2 and R2 be the standard deviation and range, respectively, of the data after exercises. Determine if the following is true or false and explain your reason. So here we have beats per minute before the exercise, 56 to 88. So we can find the range very quickly there. If we subtract those, we get 32. So that's R1. Okay. Meanwhile, down here, 80 to 112, 112 minus 80 is also 32. So immediately, we know the ranges are not less than or greater, they are equal. Okay. And that makes a lot of sense. Probably somebody, whoever has the lowest resting heart rate, most likely would have like the 80 there. And by and large, everyone's heart rate's going to go up somewhat similarly during the exercise. Just again, whoever has the lowest and the highest probably going to stay about the lowest and highest. The second part, so now it's talking about the standard deviations. Well, the standard deviation here, there is a lot of data in the exercise set. So this would be standard deviation 1. That's closely packed. There is small variability there. Meanwhile, down here, S2, it's spread out. Everyone's everywhere. So that is large variability. We don't even have to grab a calculator. Variability to understand the S's are not going to be the same. So our correct answer down there would be, we know the standard deviation gets more spread out. So it does ultimately increase. So like on its own, B, this part's true. C, that's completely false. And then as far as the ranges go, we know the ranges stay the same, but there's no way the standard deviations stay the same. Okay, the ranges both equal 32. So again, you should be able to look at data and determine standard deviation. That's ultimately how much variability we have. It's closely packed together in the pre-exercise group, but spread out in the other one. And ranges are ultimately the maximum minus the minimum. Please use this to do your best on the quiz and all remaining assignments.